What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. I'm getting ready to do a test drive on a 1987 Buick T-Type. This was supposed to be a Grand National, but I cannot prove that. It's got badged up like a Grand National. They didn't come in red, and right under this paint job you could see silver. They didn't come in silver. So I'm just gonna call it a Buick Regal T-Type. Does have the 3.8 turbo. Car actually looks pretty good. I can hear an exhaust leak under the hood, but for now, let's go for a ride. Take a look around the interior, kind of check some stuff out. Notice the seats are a little worn. See, the door panels are showing signs of age. The headliner is hanging a little bit on the inside. Does need some interior work. Back seat actually looks really good, so nobody's been back there. Little panels falling out over here. Go ahead, start it up. Like I said, it does have an exhaust leak. You can hear that plain as day. This stuff's been hooked up. I don't think this is actually hooked up right now. You can cut it on, but there's nothing going to it, so. Horn works. Let's try our windshield wipers while we're sitting here. They do work. Let's try our radio. It's cutting on. Give me some music. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. Alright, try the AC. Definitely drug down on the motor, so the compressor's probably kicking on. And the blower motor was working. Alright guys, let's take off. It's a heavy door there, that's for sure. Let's try the windows. A little slow on the windows. That one's a little bit faster, but it's still slow. Both power windows are slow. And that one needed help up, so. We're gonna take off and go down the road here. Like I said, you can hear that exhaust leak. Oil pressure's holding right at 30. Engine temp's at 160 right now. It's got a digital readout on the miles per hour, and it's showing that it's working 5 miles an hour. 26,000 miles is on the dash. You got a fuel pressure gauge sitting on the hood. It's right around 40. Turbo sounds pretty good. Definitely need to stop and get some gas. It's saying E right now. You can hear that speedo cable going. Car's going straight down the road. Steering feels nice and tight. Nobody behind me. Brakes feel good. It's pulling nice and strong. I'm only in half throttle there, so. Actually runs, it drives pretty good. It's just got that little speedo cable noise. I don't like that. We're gonna pull over here. I'm gonna put some gas in it because it is saying you're empty right now. Seems like you never get cars with actual gas in them. We have to put it in there, so that's what we're gonna do. I actually went on a test drive earlier on a car that I haven't been able to do a video on yet, and I ran out of gas. Because I haven't done a video on it. All right, we'll put some in here. I'll check, make sure that gauge works, and we'll keep this thing rolling. Up here at the gas station, I'm gonna throw about $20 of premium fuel in this car. That way we don't run out, and we can check the gas gauge and make sure it works. You put the fuel in the back here. It does have a locking gas cap on this one. Look at the big old tires on this car. I like that. Small tires on the front, big tires on the back. Let's see if that gauge works. See. Our gas gauge is on the left there. What's it reading? What's it reading? It's not showing anything. It's just blank. Maybe we were not about to run out. It just doesn't work. If it changes, I'll let you know. Let's keep rolling. Well, I'm gonna stick y'all up in the driver's seat here. Show y'all reverse. Well, our turn signal lights are coming on. LT turn and then right turn. Both of them are coming on there, so I have to check on the outside and make sure they're all cutting on too. Give them a little space here. Thing sounds pretty cool. You get into it and you let off the gas and that little turbo makes a whipple noise. I like that. It's always fun. Checking over our gauges. Oil pressure sitting at 25. Water temperature is right below 180. Car's actually pretty tight. You fix that exhaust leak and the speedo cable making that noise, you wouldn't have any noises. It'd just be nice and smooth. There's a big bump in the road up here. We're gonna hit it, check the suspension. It feels great, but I like hitting that bump, so. Tried to kick sideways there. Here's the bump. Pretty smooth there, so. Got a final little stretch before we head back to the lot. I'm gonna pass the lot and then turn around and come back, and I'm gonna do a little walk around video. She gets down, feels pretty good. Got plenty of power. Wanted to get it to run through the gears really good before I came back. Started doing my walk around. Guys, I do post videos. I try to every single day. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, share these videos. It helps me out greatly. And this car feels pretty good, so I think you'd enjoy the test drive. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the test drive. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to talk to you. We also got 100 detailed pictures on our website at maplemotors.com, so check that out. Financing information. Also got transportation, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I'm getting ready to do a walk around video, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, and that way you know everything about the car before you get here. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.